Hey Roses, so today's Wrap Wednesday, so first off, happy Wrap Wednesday, and I wanted to show you what I just got in my package, in the mail. I actually got it a few days ago, and I haven't been feeling the greatest, so I was like, you know what, let me open this up when I got a little bit more energy, but this is something I have been expecting from Minovet. Now, if you don't know who Minovet is, I'm going to need y'all to take a look at the lower part of the screen and also the description box where I will leave Minovet's information on Instagram and her website. The owner of Minovet is Chrissy, who I have been friends with for a while now, and she has her own shop. She makes all kinds of products handmade, but let me tell you, she has clothing, she has all kind of accessories for the entire family, and even her husband is at it working with his hands in his business, Smoke Stones. So I'm going to leave information for both, but let me get this package open because I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. Okay, here we go. First off, the color is pretty. There's her logo. Isn't that cute? Yes, yes, yes. Now, one thing about Chrissy and Minovet, she is all about quality products. She's not half-stepping when she creates. She puts a lot into her work. If you follow her on Instagram or even in her Facebook group, she will show you part of the process of her making and creating. And I mean, she has shown things in her Insta stories from beginning to end, just like, wow, you are a talented girl. But anyway, this is what I got. Oh my goodness. Oh my, okay, first off, can we please take a look at what this woman has done? Let's take a look. Let's admire this, please. Do you see? She has personalized my item here. It has a rose because I'm Olena Roseanne. And it has my name, Olena Roseanne. Also on the back shows her card, and it shows, oh, what else is coming, and oh my goodness, and the tag and the size for what is in this bag. So let me open this up. Can any of y'all guess what this actually is? Oh my gosh. She even has her own tag. Oh. She has her own tag, you guys. It has Minovet.com on it, but it also says Olena Roseanne. So, if you were wondering, if you haven't figured this out yet, it's in a size large. What would I need a size large? Is y'all, oh my gosh, are you guys looking at this? Are you looking at this? Oh my gosh, the detail. Yes, you guys, I have a bonnet. And she has personalized it. Who has a personalized bonnet? Do you have one? After looking at this video, I hope you are planning on ordering one. This is so pretty. She asked me what colors I liked. I told her, and I was able to pick from different materials that she had with my favorite color, which is purple. I had no idea she was going to put the bow on it, personalize it on both sides, okay? So in case you forgot what my name is, there it go. This belongs to me and nobody else. And then the tag in the back, you guys. Remember I mentioned that her husband has a business as well called Smoke Stones? There goes his card. Yes, Chrissy, you know I was going to rep your husband as well. Also, she says this particular bonnet is handmade with love in Olympia Fields, Illinois, USA, of imported and domestic goods. The size of this is large, which means if you order one of these, you can get one in whatever size you prefer for the amount of hair that you have. Now my hair is covered right now because it's Wrap Wednesday, but I'm about to take it out so you can see a little bit of what I'm working with. If you followed me before, you know I'm working with some hair, so I need room. And I haven't had a bonnet for a while that actually fits my hair. I have older bonnets that, you know, were sent to me, but they're smaller. By the time it's Friday, I'm doing Fro Friday, and so my hair is froed out, and I like to have it out. So instead of, you know, putting it up in a pineapple, there's a lot of times I sleep just on my satin pillowcase and just let it be. But now I can let it be free in my bonnet. So she includes the care instructions to wash in cold water, do not bleach, dry on low, and do not iron. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. And then coming soon, she's going to have laces, different specially made laces for your shoes. Oh my goodness. Well, we're just gonna do this. I don't even know what I'm looking at, you guys, because I'm filming on my phone, because my camera is having issues. But we're just gonna spread this out just for the sake of, you know, this video, so you can see. So right now my hair is flat. It really doesn't have as much body as it normally has, but when it does, my hair is huge, y'all. So I need room. But guess what? I have room now because of my bonnet. Oh my gosh. Let me put it on. This is so pretty. Okay. You guys are witnessing this for the first time with me. Okay, number one, this is so comfortable. So comfortable. The elastic that's in it is not super tight, so it's not going to be like you put it onto your head and then instantly it snaps in and you have a headache. It's not like that. It's super roomy. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? And I know I look cute in it. So if you want a cute bonnet too, I'm going to need you to, again, check the description box. Make sure you're following Minovet on all social platforms, particularly Instagram, and she does also have a Facebook group as well. Follow her on her website. I believe it's Minovet.com, because that's when you will learn about her latest offers, latest creations. I mean, she does clothing, you guys, specialized clothing. She does things for events, birthday parties. I mean, it all. And she puts quality into her work. I mean, if you just watch one of her Insta stories or even Facebook videos, you're going to be like, that girl did that? Yes, she did. So, thank you, Chrissy. I know I'm cute. You want to be cute too. Make sure you order one too. And anyway, if you haven't subscribed to me yet, make sure you do so. Hit the notification bell. Share this with one of your friends who needs a large, extra large, or whatever size they prefer. But depending on the amount of hair you have, you can too order a large bonnet that is lined in the inside, personalized, and has a tag there with your name on it. Okay, so anyway, I'll talk to you later, roses.